Hey guys, today we're going to cook up some beef short plate ribs. These are also known as DINO ribs. We have these seasoned up, we got the smoker going, so we're going to go ahead and throw these on and get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat those smokers to 250 degrees. Then we're going to trim the fat off the top of these ribs. Make sure to get as much fat as you can, but don't worry about getting it all. We're going to drizzle some olive oil on this, make sure it's mixed all over, and then hit it with a salt, pepper, garlic mixture. Want to make sure you get the top of the ribs, the side of the ribs, and the bottom of the ribs. We want to season it all over. We're going to throw these on the smoker, smoke them for about 2 hours before you do anything. After 2 hours, then you can start spraying it with beef broth or apple cider vinegar, and then we're going to spray it every hour until the ribs are finished. Once they hit 203 degrees internal or probe tender, they're finished. So just slice them up and serve. It's that simple. Enjoy.